Hello, this is Niti and welcome back to another video of Minecraft. In this video, I am not gonna fix anything and not gonna give any mod or texture pack. In this video, I will tell you that how I make my thumbnails because a subscriber asked me that how I make my thumbnails. So I should not waste my time and your time too. So without wasting time, let's start the video. There will be link in the description. You will ask me what is that? This is a GFX pack that you can use it on your thumbnail like this and this. I think you are so excited. So let's get the tutorial. After downloading the GFX pack file, you can see too many GFX pack there. So mainly you have to select the sky one and the tree one. I'm showing you that. Just wait. And yeah, the cross, the tick button is very important to make your thumbnail good. Okay, so let me find the yeah. There's the sky. Too many sky you will get. If you don't get, then in the next video I will give you the second file. Okay, there will be everything in this Discord server that I have uploaded. So okay, after finding the GFX pack, let's start making models. First of all, you have to download the app that named Prisma 3D. You can search it in Play Store. So let's enter the Prisma 3D and let's start. After entering the Prisma 3D, there is the plus icon. Just click it and make a new project. In the description, I have given a rig to you. Just download it and go to the Z archiver. Then the downloads and data. And the video quality is very bad because I let it zoom it. But don't worry, just extract it. Click the always. After importing, just you have to click the character and materials and go to the texture. Okay, after go to the texture, there will be a plus icon. Just click it. After adding the texture, just start making modeling. So first of all, we will delete these things because we need no face, no eyes. Okay, it's normal Minecraft scale. uh, are you guys alive? Oh sorry, it's been a long to set up that. Okay, let's start. Just you what am I using and how am I using? Just look at carefully. Don't miss anything in this video or your thumbnail will be disgusting. click to the shadow and make it 1. And round it to the behind. I am telling that because this is the best position to set up a light. If you want to set up the sun in your head, in your leg, in your hand, it's your choice, not mine. So let's click the camera and jump in. After jumping, you have to make the background green to remove the background easily and anyway. I mean easily, okay. So after doing that, okay, then let's click the 3 dots and click the render. After clicking that, just don't remove the watermark because that's not matter. Just click the render. And now save to the gallery. After screenshot your gallery video, you have to go to the background eraser, click it here. So first of all, you have to click the auto color. Okay. Oh, I took the wrong. Okay, let me repair that. Now click the auto clear and just move it to the green. After moving to the green, you can see that it's kind of a part that this is black. You have to remove it by using magic, but careful. Okay, let me zoom it and cut it. My cutting is almost finished and finished. Okay, so after finishing that, just you can see that everywhere is the grain removed or not. Just take it and click the finish, and in the last you have to click 3 to remove the border grain. After then save and finish. What? How did you make the thumbnail without what giving us the tutorial? Okay, don't worry. I just added the PNG and just added the text and nothing, the background, nothing too much. Okay, just you have to download the background and make the text good. Okay, I will suggest the lucky guy. I will show you. Wait. The lucky guy is very beautiful text ever. You have to you can use it. Okay, nothing, I just added the png. And yeah, if you make a horror thumbnail or etc, your sun will be red in the Prism 3D. Okay, I forgot to make it red, but you don't you forget. Okay, so that's for the video. I hope you enjoyed my content or tutorial. We will meet in the next video. For now, peace out. And guys, please subscribe our channel. We are near to the 1K subscribers. We need just 40 subscribers.